schools or neighbors being kept up with all of this nonsense, these good officers could be patrolling and doing something else. We're asking for 4 things, Mr. Councilman, and we're not going to stop. Number 1, the people responsible for calling that young man everything but a child of God, including Chief Pete Durzis, Captain Rector, and whoever else came out there and said they were 100% sure. We want them gone. Number two, we expect for there to be some type of federal, state investigation into all of this.
Yes.
The treatment of African Americans, the treatment of minorities on the police force, as well as those who have been pulled over in this shady city. Number 3, we absolutely insist that this city institute a citizens review board so that if anything like this ever happens again, that the citizens will be apprised and have active, effective input. And then finally, we understood that the city of Hoover was going to give an update every week. What happened to that? The 4th request was initially that David Alexander be arrested and charged. However, we yielded to our Jefferson County District Attorney. Whoa, I forgot. The Attorney General took it out of the desk, off of the desk of our Jefferson County DA today. So we expect more than a weekly update. We expect a daily update of what's going on right now. And until that happens, you cowardly elected officials can run the Ross Bridge or wherever you are hiding, but your neighbors are going to have to deal with us every night.
Every night.
Every night.
Every night.
Every night.
Every night.
Every
Every
night.
night.
Every 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 night.
Let me tell you something, Mr. City Councilman. God bless me with a voice that I don't need a microphone. I will wake this entire neighborhood up until we get justice.
Wake 'em up.
Are we clear? On our way out, wake them up.
Wake 'em up.
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 Wake them up.
Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake Wake 'em up.
Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up.
Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up. Wake 'em up.
Wake 'em up.
No peace. 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 No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
Wake them up.
Wake them up.
Wake them up.
Wake them up. Wake them up. No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace. No peace.